How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about HOLO. This is one of my favorite plays to an EMA 20 touch. And if you guys know my strategy, when something's way overdue, where you haven't touched this EMA 20 in a while, a stock that has lots of volume like HOLO, it has consistently done it. This is a stock to keep on watch, and I can show you guys exactly the last time it did this kind of pattern. You see right in here, we have like a whole week of just consolidating right in here. And we had something very, very similar that happened, which was way over here. We had like a whole week of consolidation right in here. We haven't touched this EMA 20 in a very long time. Like right in here was the last touch of 604, and then you see how we just run up on 819. So 704, 804, that was 2 months and like 2 weeks. Very similar to the current date right now. And what kind of price range pump did we get? Well, we had a 170% bump. Can we get something even bigger than that? Well, as price goes lower and lower, these pumps are going to be more percentages wise. So let's do the math. Let's do the time distance. The last time we touched EMA 20 was 10:15. It's 11:15, 12:15. We're getting close to that 2 months and 2 weeks time frame. I do think this is getting really nice here. No one's in control. This is just buyers, just accumulating the shares, and we can get a nice room up. It's not like outrageous to the EMA 20. It's 27%, but like I said, HOLO has been known to spike way above it, right? I think this conservative profit is really good if we get to that EMA 20. And it's got nice volume. It has, never not had over 1 million volumes. So there's lots of people into it. I'm looking for this. I'm looking at this stock right now. I'll let you guys know in the Discord. Probably end of the day, I'll get into it. Hopefully, we get like a break of this structure, get some stop losses out, and then I will look to get into it. That's my current situation that I'm really looking at. I do like this. We've been consolidating for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 7 days right in here. And we're constantly hitting the 10, breaking down, 10, breaking down. So, I mean, if you look at all the times, we hit the 10 many, many times. And basically what that means is, we're going to be breaking out of that, because the more times you hit that resistance, the more you can break out of it. So we start off by hitting, right in here, we hit the 5, almost the 10, hit the 10 all through here, 10. And that's why I say you never buy it right at the EMA 5 and 10, because if you buy it right at the EMA 5 and 10, these are essentially, you're trying to buy a breakout before it even happens, right? So you could buy it right here at this 10, but then look, you're down 13%, right? And if you're just throwing a darts out. What this strategy is, we know, okay, we have basic technical analysis of support, right in here. We have lots of accumulation. Price isn't moving anywhere, and that's what causes these massive spikes. We know for a very conservative game, we can pump this up 30% to this EMA 20. That's very conservative. We know what's going to happen. The algos will do it. And you can see right here, we're just now testing this support line. Can we break through? That's a whole new question, and I'm totally fine with that. So with this daily candle I'm going to buy it at the end of the day. If it's at this EMA 5, then I won't buy it. I want to make sure it's away from the EMA 5, and I can go from there. I think there's a lot of good things going with this. This is the same exact pattern where it pumped 160%. Like I said, it can go way over the EMA 20. I'm just being a conservative player saying, hey, this is the target that will hit. That's a target that I know, has to revert to the mean. Can it take 2 weeks, 2 months? Can it take 3 months? Yeah, it can. It's just very rare to be in this scenario, right? We are probably not going to hit this green band. HOLO has never hit this green band since we played this. And the reason why is every time it does a spike like this, you see how this goes the opposite direction, right? It's because now the indicators have to come back up to it. Indicators lag, right? So HOLO has been doing many spikes. That was a 43% spike in one day. So I do think this is on watch. Now, if you're looking to hold this long term, no, I'm not saying that. I'm saying to get in, get out, rinse and repeat. You could make hundreds and hundreds of percents of gains on this if you just stick to rinsing and repeating this stock, knowing where the EMAs are, knowing where the algos are going to take it, and then you play another stock till this stock presents. I know this is one of retail's favorite stocks, and I do love this. I love the volume. I like the setup here. I like this consolidation. I like this EMA 20 about to be hit. We are away from the EMA 5 now. I like this setup the most right here. We played this in the Discord where, you see how I had 4 daily candles away from it? I said, holy crap, this is a good setup. I'm going to take it. And you can see we pumped 24% there. So and then we just kind of consolidated, died out here. So let's keep an eye on this one, guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, you guys are always more than likely to join. I think you guys will love to. Hit the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, it's so easy to do. You just hit day trade alerts under subscriptions, and it'll give you access to my my swing trades and day trades for only $12 a month. It is probably the cheapest out there with the most unique strategies and over a 90% win ratio that's been back tested. And if that's too much, you can just hit swing trade alerts, and I'll give you access for only $6 a month. So it's just what you want to do. You can read the server shop which one fits your style. I like day and swing trading the most because it gives you more things to do. Sometimes swing trading can be kind of boring. You got to wait, a couple days, a week, for a play to play out. Like HOLO, for example, it can do something like this kind of pattern where you're just kind of waiting it out. But we know EMA 20 is going to hit, so we're not chasing it like a lot of other people. When this thing starts pumping, then other Discords start getting in on it. Whereas we're in early, we sell it to the pumpers. That's the purpose of the trend reversal strategy. I also have a trade with the trend, but I usually do that on higher cap stocks. My day trading strategy, I usually sell options, and I buy options on a very low time frame. I think you guys are gonna love it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and hope to see you guys in the Discord. If you do join the Discord, subscribe on your computer, and it will void the iOS fee. And if you have an Android, you will have to do that. But everything's if you do it on your computer, everything will be avoided for the iOS fee. So hope to see you guys there. Let's make some money, and happy trading.